How are you all? I think you all are fine and safe. Okay, children. Last week, last session, what we learned? We learned subtraction only. Still, we are learning chapter 2 because first week we learned addition, and then with carrying, without carrying, like that we are learning. And today this is the last session for subtraction. Understood, children? And today maths book have been changed, it seems. So children, don't be confused, let it be, because the last two lessons the same thing. What is given in the new book only is there: addition, subtraction, large numbers. So you no need to worry. From the third chapter we can learn from the new book, because only the basic things are given in the old book also. Understood, children? Only this topic we have left, so we can learn this topic and the subtraction. Okay, children? See, first you are going to learn estimate each sum. Estimate each sum. Estimate each sum. Sum means what? Addition. Sum means what? Addition. And also we have to find the actual different sum. See, estimate each sum, also find the actual sum. Sum means what? Addition. Sum means what? Addition. We have to find out round of the number. Nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Understood? First we are going to learn the nearest 10. See, first sum we learn 56 plus 72. This is, we have to round off nearest 10. We have to round off nearest 10. See, how we have to find out? First, all of them should listen carefully, otherwise you can't understand, children. See, nearest 10 means first we have to take 56. Understood, children? 56. 56 means what we have to do? Above 5 means what? 50 to 60 you have to calculate. Understood, children? 50 to 60. See, this is 56. Well, nearest 10 only they have called. Only 10 numbers. See, 50 to 60. And in the middle, what will come, children? 51, 52, 53, 54, here 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. Understood, children? And this will come 55. And this 56, 57, 58, 59. Understood, children? 50 to 60. And this here 55. The middle number you have to take. See. So, 56 comes after 55. Isn't it or not? After 55, 56 comes. So, it's nearest to 60. It's nearest to 60. So, what you have to do is, what you have to do? See, estimated sum. This is estimated sum. Estimated sum and then actual sum. Estimated sum and actual sum. So what you have to do? Estimated sum means this one we have to write. See, what you have to have? 56 is there. So it's nearest to 60. So 56 means you have to write 60 plus 72 is given here. 72 means what you have to write? Above 70 to 80. Above 70 to 80 you have to write. Understood or not? After 7 you have to write. So what will come? 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. And here what will come? 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. So 72. How it comes? Below 75. Isn't it or not? Below 75. See, here only 72 is there. So it's nearest to 70. So what you have to write here? 70. Understood, children? You have learnt in 3rd standard also. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 7, what will come? 6 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what you have to write? 13. And see here actual sum what you have to write. The same number you have to write. See 56 plus 72. 6 plus 2 what children? 8. 5 plus 7, 5 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 128. Can you see? This is estimated sum and this is actual sum. Understood children? This is estimated and this is actual sum. Are you thorough children? For each sum if you put like this means it will be very easy. Understood children? Okay children. Now next we will see nearest 100. Nearest 100. So what sum I have given? 315 plus 425. So how we have to write? See you have to write 300 here, 400. So what you have to write here? 350 in the middle. So see first you have to see 315. See 315 comes below 350, isn't it? So what you have to write? 300 plus, and what you have to write here? 400 is there. So what you have to, 400 to 500 you have to write. 400 to 500 and 450 is in the middle. See here 425 is there. 425 will come below 450 or above 450 children? Sure it will come below 450, isn't it? So what's the nearest number? 400. So what you have to write? 400. So what's the answer? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And 3 plus 4 how much will come? 7. So 700. And what's the actual sum you have to write? 5 plus 5? 10. 5 plus 5? 10. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2? 4. And what will come? 3 plus 4. 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What will come? 7. Actual sum answer is what children? 740 and estimated sum is 700. Are you thorough children? Okay children, now we will see nearest 1000. First we saw nearest 10, nearest 100, now nearest 1000. What sum we have given? 3872 plus 5380. So estimated how we have to find out? See here 3000 to 4000 we have to write. 3000 to 4000. In the middle what will come? 3500. So see 3872. So what will come? It will come above 3500. Isn't it children? See 3872. It comes 3500 above. So what you have to write? It's nearest to 4000. So what you have to write? 4000 plus, and here 5380. So 5000 and 6000 you have to write. In the middle 5500. So here 5380. It comes below 5500, isn't it? So what? This is nearest number. So what we have to write? 5000. So what if you add 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 plus 5 what will come? 9. So what's the answer children? 9000. And come to the actual sum. 2 plus 0, 2. 7 plus 8, 7 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 how we have to write children? 5 we have to write here and you have to bring on to above 8. Carry over to 8. So 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3. After 9, 10, 11, 12. So what you have to do? 2 you have to write and you have to bring down here. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's the answer children? 9252. So actual sum answer is this and estimated sum is this one. Are you thorough children? Okay. Okay children, now last we learnt addition. Now we are going to see a difference. Estimate each difference. Also find the actual difference. Difference means what children? Subtraction. Difference means what? Subtraction. So we are going to see the subtraction sums. So like the addition will see 71 minus 59. What we have to do? 70 to 80 and middle what you have written? 75. So 71 is what? nearest to 70, isn't it? Below 75. So what you have to write here? You have to write 70 minus, and see 59. 50 here, 60 here, 55 is there. 59 is above 55, isn't it? So it's nearest to 60. So what you have to write here? 60. So what? 0 minus 0, 0. And 7 minus 6 what? Answer is what? 10. So what's the actual difference here? Actual difference here. Can you count from 9 to 1, children? No. What you have to do? You have to borrow from 7. So if you borrow from 7, the 7 will become 6 and this 1 will become 11. So can you count now, children? Yes, you can count. After 9, what will come? 10, 11. So what's the answer? 2. And after 5, if you count up to 1 or 6, what will come? Answer is 1. So actual difference is 12 and estimated difference is what? 10, children. Okay. Okay, children, now we'll see nearest 100. Nearest 100. What's the sum? 425 minus 315. So likewise, what you have to write? 400, 500. And what's the middle? 450. So 425 comes below 450 or above 50, children? 450, children? Below 450, isn't it? You have to say, after 400 you have to see. Understood? So what will come? 400 minus 300, 400 you have to write. In the middle, 350. Likewise, 315 comes below 350. So what you have to write? It's nearest to 300. So 300. So what's the answer, children? 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0 and 4 minus 3, 1. So what's the answer? 100. And while coming to the actual difference, what will come? 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. So what's the answer, children? 110. Here 100. Can you see the difference? See, nearest to 100 only the answer also. Likewise, you have to compare. You have to compare the sums. Okay. Next we'll see the nearest 1000. Okay, children, now see nearest 1000. 5180 minus 3992. See, how can we find out the estimated difference? Here 5000, 6000. Here 5 means what you have to do? After 5000 you have to write. Understood, children? See, 5180 is below 5500 or above 5500, children? It's below 5500. So what you have to write, children? It's nearest to 5000. And while coming to 3992, see here 3000, 4000 and 3500. So 3992 comes above 3500. So it's nearest to what? 4000. So minus 4000. So what's the answer, children? 0, 0, 0. 5 minus 4000. And now you're coming to the actual difference. 0 minus 2. Can we count after 2, children? No. What you have to do? You have to borrow from 8. It will become 7 and it will become 10. Now we can count, isn't it? After 2, you count up to 10, children. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what's the answer? 8. And after 9, can you count up to 7, children? No. What you have to do? You have to borrow. So this will become 0 and the 7 will become 17. Now you can count? Yes. After 9, you count up to 17. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So what's the answer, children? 8. Can you count after 9 to 0? No. What you have to do? You have to borrow from 5. And this 0 will become 10. So after 9, if you count means 1 will answer. After 3 to 4 means 1. So what's the answer, children? 1188 and see estimated 1000. See, it comes below 1500. See, can you see the difference? So this is the answer. Are you thorough, children? You learn the sums by doing some other number and you have to practice at home. Okay? Okay, children, now we'll see addition and subtraction together. Addition and subtraction together. Solve this. See, 437 plus 1542 minus 1398. See, You have to do, first you have to add, and then from that answer you have to subtract. So first you have to write 437, and next 1543. So here what, see here only 3-digit number, here 4-digit number. You should write like this. Here you have to write 432. No, the answer will be wrong. From ones place you have to write ones, tens, 100. Understood? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. The 1000 place should be empty. You should not fill anything. Okay, children? 7 plus 2, 9. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 5, 9. And then here no number, so you have to bring down this one. So what's the answer, children? 1979. Now what we have to do? You have to bring down here and you have to subtract. You have to subtract from this. So what's the answer? See, 1979 minus, what did minus 1398. Understood, children? You have to add first and then what you have to do? You have to subtract. Now after 8, if you count up to 9, what answer will come? After 9, can you count up to 7, children? No. What you have to do? You have to borrow. So this will become 8 and this 7 will become 17. Now after 9, you count up to 17, children. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So what's the answer? 8. After 3, you count up to 8, children. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer 5. So here 1 minus 1, 0. So you can leave it out. So what's the answer, children? What's the answer? 581. So what's the answer? 581. First you have to add and then you have to bring it out up here and then you have to subtract. So answer is 581. Okay, children, next sum. 5102 minus 3416 minus 978. So first what you have to write? We have to subtract these two sums. 5102 minus 3416. So what will come? After 6, can you count up to 2? No. What you have to do? You have to borrow from 0. What? See, can you borrow from 0? No. From what you have to do? From this will become 0. This will become 10. From this 10 only you have to borrow. So this will become 9. This will become 9. So after 6 you count up to 12, children. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what's the answer? 6. After 1 you count up to 9. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What's the answer, children? 8. After 4, can you count up to 0? No. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from here and this 0 will become 10. This 0 will become 10. So after 4, you count up to 10. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what's the answer? 6. And 4 minus 3, 1. So this answer you have to bring it over here. 1686 minus this answer you have to write. See, here only 3 digits. So what you have to write? Yes. Now what you have to do? You have to count. Subtract. Here, see here both the symbol are subtraction. So you have to subtract only. Okay, children. Now see this sum I have bought here. So 1686 minus 978. Now you have to borrow from. After 8, if you count up to 16, what answer will come? 8. 7 minus 7, 0. From 9, you can't count up to 6. So you have to borrow from here. So this 1 will become 0. And from 9, if you count, what answer will come? 7. So what's the answer? 708. So here 2 symbols are subtraction. So both we have subtracted. Understood? Here addition means you have to add. Subtraction means you have to subtract. Are you thorough, children? Okay, children. Now I have given some homework sums. See, solve this. The sums what I have taught, from that sums only I have given. Understood, children? All of you listen carefully. See, 4,617 plus 2,415 minus 5,918. See, likewise only this sum also. See, what I have taught, the same sum I have given. And here this is addition and this is subtraction. For addition you have to do nearest 10 and for subtraction you have to do nearest 100. Understood, children? Will you do, children? All of them do, and before Friday you can send it. Okay, children? But all should do the sums. Thank you. This chapter is over by this section, and from the next session we'll learn the new chapter, multiplication. All learn the multiplication tables. Understood, children? Learn multiplication tables. Thank you.